$999. Portugal for a week guide and flights. This price includes your airfare, escorted tours, hotels, transfers, and breakfast. Why we love this deal? The $999 price is now only available from Washington, D.C. Other departure cities start at $1,099. Explore idyllic coastal cities. Journey to medieval castles and zip line on the Douro River on this comprehensive tour of Portugal that saves $700 per person. Highlights of this 7-night guided tour. Lisbon. You'll spend 4 nights here, providing ample time to explore the unique neighborhoods and vibrant cuisine of this enchanting city. Sintra. Visit this UNESCO heritage site. Step inside the Quinta da Regaleira Palace and see other romantic castles from the 19th century. Óbidos. Marvel at the well-preserved medieval architecture. Then head to the coastal city of Nazaré, home to some of the biggest waves in the world. Fatima. Visit the sanctuary of Our Lady of Fatima, one of the most important pilgrimage sites for Catholics. Porto. Explore the colorful old town on the banks of the Douro River. See attractions like the exterior of Clarigos Tower and São Bento train station. What's included for $999 per person? Round-trip international airfare from the U.S. to Lisbon, Portugal, 7 nights accommodations in centrally located hotels with daily breakfast, transfers in air-conditioned vehicles, and 6 activities and tours with an English-speaking guide, as indicated on the itinerary. When to go? Depart on select dates January, March, April, and October 2023 from Chicago, Dallas, Miami, New York City, Phoenix, and Washington, D.C. Departure dates vary by city. See website for more details. Additional departure dates through March 2024 are also on sale from 30+ major U.S. cities, starting at plus $100 per person. Additional itineraries. This is part of a larger sale on trips to Portugal, including a 12-night tour that takes you to the beaches of Algarve, an 11-night trip that visits the Azores Islands, and a 2-week adventure that combines Portugal with Morocco. Book by November 5.